putting this together really, really quickly. I was very fortunate, oh, there's Tom just there. I was really fortunate to pick up a courtesy bike. So as a lot of you know, I've got an M1000R. Whoa, yeah! Just done my running in mileage, took it to Roy Pidcock to have its de-restriction done, its first service, running in service done. And when I got there, they had a GS Adventure for me as a courtesy bike, but then I saw this bike just here, that one there. I thought, I've never ridden that before, can I have that? So I picked that up yesterday, wearing full race leathers. I'm gonna put my race leathers back on again today as well, with race boots. It was hilarious. More smiles riding one of them. What's it called? A CE04 scooter, electric scooter. That quick, the first question I asked was, can I go on the motorway with this? Yeah, it does 18 miles an hour. Not that, obviously I wasn't doing that speed. I was keeping it under 70, as I should. But the looks you get, it's just so much fun. Anyway, we got back and we realized on the back of the bike, we've got the same turn signal, multifunction turn signal feature that we get on all the new BMW bikes. So I thought, let's stick the visor wizards on there and see if it works. Guess what? It works. So if you've got one of these scooters and you want to make your rear lights look even better and make sure people behind you know what you are doing when you are indicating that you are indicating, because it really isn't clear if you are on the brake, especially when you are on the brake and indicating, it's not very clear that you are indicating. So look at the difference. So I'm going to quickly show you it before, so out of the factory, and then plug in the visor dongles and show you with it working. Take a look. Okay, right, so this, if we indicate right, that is exactly how you got it. If you pull the brake, which to me feels like the clutch, can you see how that's not very clear at all? Yeah, that's braking and off the brake and indicating. Right, now if you cancel indication on that side, and now the other side's got the visor dongle. Look at that now. And with the brakes, obviously the right side starts braking, but the left side is really, really clear. So to wire these in, all we did is we followed the cables from the back of the indicators here. They run down through this swing arm, if you like, and then they come out behind this panel here. So all we've done is unscrewed 2 screws, was it? 4. 4 screws to take that panel off there, which comes off this side piece here, and they are literally, the plugs are just behind here. Just unplug them, put the visor dongles in place, put it back together again. Done. There you have it, another win for the visor dongles. I think these visor dongles are going to fit all of the BMW range that I've got those multifunction turn signals. The front visor dongles aren't required on this bike because BMW have already switched off those DRLs, so they are just sole indicators. But for the rear, you want to be clearer, make sure you buy a set of these visor dongles. So if you go on the website, they're set up as S series, but by the time you see this video, I'll probably update it, and I'm probably going to have to enter this bike onto the bike configurator, so you actually choose this bike. The, what's it called again? The BMW, it's either the CE04 or the CG04. I can't quite work out if it's a CE or a CG. But if you've got this bike and you're commuting around London, wherever city you're in, and you want to make those rear lights clearer, you know what to do. Go on the website, buy the dongles now. Put a link down below. All right? Stay safe out there, guys. Stay safe behind bars. Not these bars. These bars. Or those bars. So he's probably thinking this is a bit overkill to be wearing all this stuff to go on here, but it's because I'm going to go and pick up my M1000R. But it's going to be so much fun riding up the motorway up to Nottingham on this, wearing all this. So catch you in a bit. Here it goes. Oh my God, how much fun was that? Where's the lens? Don't want to keep looking at myself, get complex. How much fun was that? Wearing full race leathers and coming down the I've been on the A42, M1, yeah, just making my way here to Roy Pidcock in Nottingham. This bike is insane. I've had more shits and giggles on this than any sports bike I've ever ridden. Maybe I'm riding them wrong, possibly. Anyway, yeah, so now I'm going to pick up my M1000R and head back home. at lightning speed probably, but there she is.